Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I'm back again to talk about more things to do with the eye. So today let's talk about amblyopia, A-M-B-L-Y-O-P-I-A. Amblyopia, also called lazy eye, is a type of poor vision that usually happens in just one eye, but less commonly in both eyes. It develops when there's a breakdown in how the brain and eye work together. The brain can't recognize the sight from one eye. Over time, the brain relies more and more on the other stronger eye, while vision in the weaker eye gets worse. It's called lazy eye because the stronger eye works better. But people with amblyopia are not lazy, and they cannot control the way their eyes work. Amblyopia starts in childhood and is the most common cause of vision loss in children. Up to 3 out of 100 children have it. The good news is that early treatment works well and usually prevents long-term vision problems. What are the symptoms? Symptoms of amblyopia can be hard to notice. Kids with amblyopia may have poor depth perception. They have trouble telling how near or far something is. Parents may also notice signs that their child is struggling to see clearly, like squinting, shutting one eye, tilting their heads. In many cases, parents don't know their child has amblyopia until a doctor diagnoses it during an eye exam. That's why it's important for all kids to get a vision screening at least once between the ages of 3 and 5. Is my child at risk for amblyopia? Some kids are born with amblyopia. Others develop it later in childhood. The chances of having amblyopia are higher in kids who were born early or premature, were smaller than average at birth, have a family history of amblyopia, childhood cataracts or other eye conditions, have developmental disabilities. So what causes amblyopia? In many cases, doctors do not know the cause of amblyopia, but sometimes a different vision problem can lead to amblyopia. Normally, the brain uses nerve signals from both eyes to see it. But if an eye condition makes vision in one eye worse, the brain may try to work around it. It starts to turn off signals from the weaker eye and rely only on the stronger eye. Some eye conditions can lead to amblyopia are refractive errors. These include common vision problems like nearsightedness, having trouble seeing far away, farsightedness, having trouble seeing things close up, and astigmatism, which can cause blurry vision. Normally, these problems are easy to fix with glasses or contacts. But if they are not treated, the brain may start to rely on the eye with the stronger vision. Another one that can cause it is strabismus. Usually the eyes move together as a pair. But in kids with strabismus, the eyes don't line up. One eye may drift in, out, up, or down. Another thing that can cause it is cataract. This causes cloudiness in the lens of the eye, making things look blurry. While most cataracts happen in older people, babies and children can also develop cataracts. How will my child's doctor check for amblyopia? As a part of normal vision screening, your child's doctor will look for signs of amblyopia. All kids aged 3 to 5 need to have their vision checked at least once. What is the treatment? If there's a vision problem causing amblyopia, the doctor may treat that first. For example, doctors recommend glasses or contacts for kids who are nearsighted, farsighted, or have astigmatism, or surgery for kids with cataracts. The next step is to retrain the brain and force it to use the weaker eye. The more the brain uses it, the stronger it gets. Treatments include wearing an eye patch for the stronger eye. By covering up the eye with a stick-on eye patch, similar to a Band-Aid, the brain has to use the weaker eye to see. Some kids only need to wear the patch for 2 hours a day, while others may need to wear it whenever they're awake. Another one, putting special drops in the stronger eye. Once a day, a drop of the drug atropine can temporarily blur vision, which forces the brain to use the other eye. For some kids, this treatment works as well as an eye patch, and some parents find it easier to use. For example, because young children may try to pull off eye patches. After your child starts treatment, their vision may start to get better within a few weeks, but it will probably take months to get the best results. After that, your child may still need to use these treatments from time to time to stop amblyopia from becoming back. It's important to start treating children with amblyopia early. The sooner, the better. Kids who grow up without treatment may have lifelong vision problems. Amblyopia treatment is usually less effective in adults than it is in children. So, I hope I've taught you guys something. I don't know. Maybe you've never heard of these disorders, and maybe you have. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.